Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, August 16, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Teachers, today's announcements. Please go ahead and post your attendance. Students, applications will be available today for the KSE broadcast team. This team will be responsible for making the morning newscast happen. There will be on-camera and off-camera positions available. Teachers, your classroom phones. Please turn up the volume on your classroom phones. Sometimes we are having a hard time reaching you. Late duty. Today is going to be, I think, Miss Hamlin, Miss Bolton swap. So today I think it's Miss Bolton, tomorrow is Miss Hamlin, Thursday is Miss Arch, and Friday is Miss Lowe. Important dates. August 18th, we have fall pictures. September 5th, Labor Day, no school. September 9th, Grandparents' Day lunch and Kona ice. September 21st, fall makeup picture day. October 7th, end of first quarter. October 10th, no school for teacher work day. That's all for today's news. Have a terrific Tuesday, Kate Shepherd.